waste the time. Okay, time is more than money. It means that time is really very important in our life. So today we are going to learn one interesting poem which is on time. Okay, this poem is written by Christina Rossetti. It means the poet of this poem is Christina Rossetti. So what is meant by time? Okay, what is meant by time and what is the importance of time? As you know, you can see this clock in each and every house. सर्वांच्या घरात अशा प्रकारचं घड्याळ असेल. There are 12 numbers in each clock. There are three hands in each clock, in every clock. One is hour hand, one is minute hand, and one is second hand. So students, when this second hand completes 60 seconds, when it will across the 12 number and again reach the 12 number, it means that there are 60 seconds. 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Okay. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Again, when this minute hand crosses 12 number, it means there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. 60 seconds complete the 1 minute and 60 minutes complete the 1 hour. Okay. In this way, our clock always indicates us time. So this is very important to tell us time, right? So today we are going to learn one poem which is on the time. How many seconds in a minute? 60 and no more in it, right? There are 60 seconds in 1 minute as we know, right? There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. How many minutes in an hour? You all know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, right? There are 60 minutes in an hour for sun and shower. For sun and shower sun means summer, right? As we learn. And shower means rain, right? It means that in summer also, winter also, rain also, there are 60 minutes in an hour. How many hours in a day? How many hours in a day? Who can tell me how many hours in a day? Right. There are 24 hours in a day for work and play. Okay. As soon as sunrise, we start our work, we start to play, we start to study, right? So many activities we have done in whole day, right? So the Christina Rossetti is telling that there are 24 hours for work and play. How many days in a week? Okay, how many days in a week? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So there are 7 days in a week. Both to hear and speak. Hear and speak means in all 7 days we learn something, we hear something, we speak something, right? So the poet Christina Rossetti is telling that there are 7 days to hear and speak. We always hear something, we speak something, it means we learn something for all 7 days. How many weeks in a month? How many weeks in a month? See, which month is going on now? What is this? This is calendar. This is calendar. It means almanac. So this is calendar and December month is going on. Okay. See, this is December month is going on and how many weeks in a month? In a month, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are near about 4 months in a 4 weeks in a month. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So there are 4 weeks in a month. So Christina Rossetti is telling that there are 4 weeks in a month as the swift moon runs. As the swift moon runs, when moon completed 1 round towards to our earth, it means the 1 month passed. Okay. So there are 4 weeks in a month. How many months in a year? How many months in a year? Who will tell? Yes, very good. 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. There are 12 months in a year. In a year. 12. The almanac makes clear. What is meant by almanac? Almanac means calendar, right? Here is given. Almanac means calendar. Panchang. This Panchang tells us about all the English months, Marathi months, okay, any festival, any anniversary, okay. All this information tells by this almanac. Almanac means calendar. How many years in an age? How many years in an age? Age means shatak or yug. So how many years in age? 100 says the sage. Sage means santa. The wise people always tells us that there are 100 years in an age. How many ages in a time? No one knows the rhyme. How many ages in a time means how many ages? How many shatak? आतापर्यंत किती सेंचुरी झालेत, किती शतक झालेत हे कोणी सांगू शकेल का? No one knows the rhyme. Okay, got it everyone? In this way we learned today that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, there are 60 minutes in an hour. There are 24 hours in a day, there are 7 days in a week, there are 4 weeks in a month, and there are 12 months in a year. Okay, and there are 100 years in an age. Right? Got it everyone? In this way today we learn the poem Time, and your today's homework is you have to learn and write this poem. Got it everyone? Now look on the page number 55, there is one question number 2, there is one activity which is rhyming pairs, same spelling and different spelling. So now tell me the same spelling rhyming pairs. Day, play, year, clear, age and sage. So these three are same spelling rhyming pairs. And which are the different spelling rhyming pairs? Minute, eat, shower, hour, short, week, speak, month, run, time, rhyme. These are different spelling rhyming pairs. Now next, list the words related with the time from the poem. Which are the words related with the time? All. Second, hours, day, week, month, year, okay, age. All these are the words which are related with time. Now question number 4. Write other chains of how many questions and answer. For example is given here, how many milligrams in a decigram? And the words are given here, milli, centi, decimeter, liter, meter or gram, deca, hecto, kiloliter. So we have to use these words and frame some questions. Now I am going to tell you some questions. First is, how many milligrams in a centigram? Milli, centi. How many milligrams in a centigram? There are 10 milligrams in 1 centigram. Then how many centigram in 1 gram? There are 100 centigram in 1 gram. How many gram in a kilogram? There are 1000 gram in 1 kilogram. Then how many kilogram in a decigram? There is given. There are 1000 decigram in a hecto. In this way you have to frame some questions. Okay, next is, the poem contains some idiomatic pairs, 2 words that are often used together. For example, sun and shower, bread and butter, work and play, hair and speak. In this way there are given 2 columns, okay, A and B. You have to join them and frame idiomatic pair. For example, day and night. First column, second, third. Okay, day and night, now and then, here and there, read and write. In this way you have to frame idiomatic pairs. Okay, more or less, sooner or later, yes or not, or of in or out, black and white. In this way you have to frame some aromatic pairs. So today your homework is you have to write the whole poem, then question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. You have to write question number 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it everyone?